Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, my name is Anne, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I created this makeup look. So for today's video I will be playing with the newest palette from Huda Beauty, which I think is absolutely gorgeous. When I got this sent in PR, I opened it up and I was like, wow. And this never really happens quickly because I see so many eyeshadow palettes. So I feel like it's quite hard to impress people nowadays because there are so many eyeshadows already and we have seen so much. But this palette really got me shook. I think it's so pretty and I basically couldn't wait with filming a look with this. So yeah, in today's video I'm going to play with this palette. This is like a more in-depth eye makeup tutorial. I'm not going to show my face part today. But yeah, let's get started. I hope you guys will enjoy. So the first thing I'm going to do, like always, is primer my eyelids. I'll be using the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot, which is my absolute favorite eyeshadow primer ever. And I'll be applying this with my Sigma Beauty P84 brush. Now I'm also going to apply some eyeshadow guards. This will make sure that there will be no fallout on my face, even though I'm not wearing foundation yet. But this is just a handy trick. Also, it will leave me with a very sharp line at the edge of my eye. Now I'm taking the shade Bare and I'm going to press this right underneath my eyebrow. And after I'm doing this, I'm also going to set my eyebrow with some brow gel, because I always like to do this after applying eyeshadow right underneath the brow, so I don't have any eyeshadow left in my eyebrow hairs. Then for my next shade, I'm taking the shade Play and I'm going to blend this all over my crease using a Sigma E40 brush. I'm just going to blend this back and forth, and I'm going a few times back in with my brush into this shade to get the most color payoff. Then for my next shade, I'm going in with the color called Teddy, and I'm taking a Morphe R38 brush. I'm going to do the same thing as I did with the Play eyeshadow. I'm just going to blend this all over my crease, but I am trying to keep it a little bit lower so you can still see that color Play peek a little bit right above it. Then for my next shade, I'm taking the color Raw, which is one of the darkest brown colors in this palette. And I'm taking that same Morphe R38 brush and I'm going to blend this in my crease as well, focusing a little bit more at the outer V area, but also kind of dragging it towards the inner corner as well. But I want most color payoff, to be more at the outer end of my eyelid. Then now to darken it up even more, I'm also going in with the shade Love Bite, which is more like a purple kind of color. I want to give it a different twist, so I think by going in with this purple color as well, I think it will look really pretty. So I'm taking that same brush again, the Morphe R38, and I'm going to blend a little bit of this Love Bite eyeshadow just in my outer V area. Now I'm going to use the shade Daydream, and I'm taking my MAC 242 brush and I'm going to press it right into this color. And then I'll be using this for my inner corner area. I'm just going to press it on the eyelid and I'm going to try to get as much color payoff as I need. So I am also going to make my brush wet just to make the color a little bit more intenser. Then for the next color, I'm going in with the shade Kinky and I'm going to apply this all over my eyelid using a MAC 242 brush. And I'm also going to use my finger because I feel like this gives most color payoff, but I'm starting with the MAC 242 brush. Now I'm taking the shade Infatuated and I'm going to use my finger to apply this, and look how pretty this color is. Also, the shade Excite is really gorgeous. It's slightly darker, but I'm going in with the shade Infatuated and I'm just going to press this all over the eyelid. Now I'm taking a simple matte black eyeshadow. I use the Morphe in Jack and Hill palette. You can use any black eyeshadow that you have at home. So I'm taking the Sigma blending brush, which is the E25, and I'm going to press a little bit of this in my outer V as well, just to make it a little bit more smoky. Now I'm removing my eyeshadow guards and now it's time for some eyeliner. I really love how it's looking so far. I think the glitter is really pretty and so easy to apply as well. So for my eyeliner, I'll be using the Maybelline Studio Gel Eyeliner and I'm going to apply this with a Sigma angled brow brush. So I quickly did my foundation off camera and I'm now going to use this alot soft kohl pencil in the number 01. After applying the pencil, I'm going back in with the Morphe and Jack and Hill palette and I'm taking that black color again. And I'm taking the Zoeva 238 Luxe Precise Shader Brush and I'm going to use this brush to press the black eyeshadow right underneath the lower lash line. Now to blend out the lower lash line even more, I'm taking a Morphe E36 brush. And I'm taking the shade Love Bite, which is that same purple color which I also used for my outer V. And I'm going to blend that all the way underneath the lower lash line. Now I'm taking the shade VIP from the Armed and Gorgeous palette from Morphe and Jack and Hill. And I'm going to press that in my inner corner as well, just to give it that extra pop. So for today's look, I want to create a pointy inner corner. It has been forever since I've done that. So I'm taking the NYX Cosmetics That's the Point eyeliner and I'm going to use that to create that pointy inner corner area. Now for my mascara, I'm going to use the Balm Cosmetics Matte Lash Mascara, which is a really nice one. It really curls your lashes. Now for my lashes, I'm going to use these Tarte Cosmetics lashes in the style Betty. I received them this week and I wanted to try them out because they look really pretty in the packaging. And then here you have the finished result. I really hope you guys enjoy watching today's video. I know that I only show my eyes in this video, but my skin is breaking out a lot. So for today's video, I just wanted to focus on the eyes only. I got my wisdom teeth removed last week, which got me really sick and I had to take a lot of painkillers. And I think that's what caused all these breakouts. You might not really see it right now because I'm wearing a lot of foundation, but I will make sure to put all the products I'm wearing right now in the description bar in case you're curious on anything that I'm wearing right now. But yeah, just to give you guys a heads up on the palette, I think first of all the packaging is amazing. I think the eyeshadow colors are amazing. They apply it really well. Overall, I think this palette is really good. So if you are into these colors, I think you will definitely love this palette. But yeah, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel. And hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye!